Hello, hello, my lovelies. Welcome to Amanda's Crafty Corner. I'm Amanda, and this is my Crafty Corner. Well, today I have a lovely unboxing from Wattobizz. Yep, I have another one, and I'm super excited to share it with you. And I will not lie, this was the one that I actually ordered from Wattobizz. And I'm absolutely obsessed over it. She also gave me another ring, which is awesome because you can never have enough of these. So, like my other ones, here it is. You just kind of unscrew it here. No, I'm doing it the wrong way. Oh, I'm doing it the wrong way again. This is just how I am. I am just, a silly, silly goose. It's got nice ridges in here. I'm just going to put it back together. Yeah, it's a good size. And we're gonna open up this lovely, lovely cross stitch. I love the fact that it is in a, resealable bag because it'll protect it. It is not waterproof because you can see the hole here, but that is okay. I'm still obsessed. And so here's the one that I ordered. You can see the picture. You can see all of her own design here. Wattobizz. Sorry, I am still working on a diamond painting, so it's on my crafting table because it's huge and I don't really want to move it. Anyways, let's get to opening this. You think I know how I'm going to open it? Absolutely not, because me and bags, we just don't get along. But here we go. Wrong plastic. So we have this beautiful image. Yes, I got books again, and this time with a little cat. I thought it was cute. It's got some succulents, got some potions, got candles. I'm obsessed. So put that there. It is a 50 by 50. It's 11 count with 50 colors. Yeah. So we've got our toolkit here. We've got needles everywhere. I know I saw a needle somewhere in the canvas as well. Oh, here we go. Here are two needles in this lovely canvas. I'm just going to take them out. She gives you a lot of needles. I even have the little, as I drop my magnet. Sorry, give me one moment. I have the bottle from last time as well, so I'm just gonna stick them in here because why not? So lots of needles. So the lovely Sandy gives us these needle threaders. These floss threaders is what I'm gonna call them. It's got from I believe this is 1 to 37, and then 38 to 74. So the three got kind of cut off here, but that's okay. And yeah, so she gives us these lovely purple ones. I'm more than likely going to use them because I'm getting tired of the paper here. But anyways, I digress. I am going way off a topic. So we've got our lovely scissors or floss cutters, whatever you want to call them. We've got our toolkit. So we've got, oh boy, I'm just gonna fold this over. All of our needles because we can never have too many needles. We've got a lovely um, seam ripper because you can never have enough of these. She gives us two of these rubber finger protectors. So I would more than likely put them on these two fingers just because of the way that I do needles or thread my needles and stuff. Apparently, I just can't talk today. And then we have, look at this, even more needles. Hold on. Let me just pull everything out. Need more needles. Oh, yep, one's stuck in there. So I'm just going to put them all in the case just so that I don't stab myself with them. So yeah, you get lots and lots of needles, which is good because I'm starting to break even more of mine. Yeah, yeah, you heard that. I break my needles because I'm very, very heavy-handed. So just gonna put those in there. If I could pick it up, that'd be great. And then we've got this lovely wax where you pull the needle through instead of having to wrap it around, which is great. So there's the little hole there. Just push it through and then you're golden. And then we have our lovely needle threader and wow, a thimble. We've got a lovely thimble. I'm just going to put everything back in the bag. And then I'm going to put this toolkit off to the side on my desk here because that's where I keep everything. Okay, so that's that. Oh, found another needle. Look at that. I'm just going to put that there for now. I'm going to look for the paper. Here we go. Paper pattern is inside right here. So, like I said, it's got 50 colors. It is beautiful. Paper pattern, I love it. And it even says thank you for bringing your ideas to life with Wattobizz. So you can clearly see the cat. You can see the book that I'm going to call it a she is laying on. You can see the books here. And here you can kind of see the candles, the potion bottles. It is clearly printed. It is on tear-proof paper, but it is not water soluble. So that means if you put water on here, you're going to ruin it. So that's this. And then the nice thing about these canvases, as I open it and make sure there's no more needles, I'm just going to fold this up and put this here. We're going to take a look at the canvas first. What's really nice about this canvas, again, it's a 50 by 50, and I'm just smacked my camera. Let's see if I can zoom out. There we go. That's as far zoomed out as I can, but I can lift my camera up. You can cut this piece off. You do not have to keep because it's all right here as well, 1 to 50, but you can cut this piece off and then you'll have this for your records to go with this, which will be really, really nice. I will probably do that because she gave us lots. And then I would probably just sew where I've cut because that is me. And yeah, like I said, 1 through 50. I'm just going to take a look. Like before, you can definitely read everything. I can even zoom in. Here, I'm going to bring you closer and I'm going to zoom in as far as I can go. Like, here you go. You can clearly see all the printing. You can see the red square. You can see the red square. I need to come down here. You can see the red squares and you can see the red with the white inside. The X's, there's yellow, yellow with the line, the red dash, the greater than symbols. Like you can clearly see everything. I love it. I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to zoom out again. I'm just going to fold this in half. And we're going to take a look at these lovely colors. So I'm just trying to figure out where I can put everything. And then we have lots of brown for this one. Like, look at this brown. It's number 33. Number 33 is 3771. Like, look at how gorgeous this is. I'm not sure if you have to cut it by yourself or if like the tips are in here, and I don't want to open it to find out. I'm not gonna lie. But here is, there's so many colors. Here's 1 through 18. Oh, these are so soft. 1 through 18, like you can tell here's black, a lot of browns and cream colors. There's a little bit of blues. And then we'll come on this side again. I love all the warm tones. Oh, I love these warm tones right here. And then you got your cool tones. Number 29. Can I see? It's 939. So that's 19 to 36. Like, look at how pretty this blue is. Number 36 is 3761, this one right here. Because then you have 3756, which is almost like a gray white. It's so pretty. And then we have 37 to 50. Now that I've shown you this beautiful, gorgeous canvas, please go take a look at Sandy's channel. She does have her own YouTube channel. She even has a Facebook group for the Wattobizz. She is fantastic. Like, she will answer you right away. She has one of the best customer services ever that I've actually ever encountered on any of the websites that I've been on, including Oraloa, because I do buy cross stitch from Oraloa as well. Um, Everything she does is licensed. She creates her own art using both AI and her graphic design powers is what I'm gonna say. Her graphic design powers, because she is honestly like a little witch, and I absolutely love it. And it's in the best way possible, Sandy. Not to be rude or anything, but you are like you have a magic touch with these cross stitch. Absolutely love it. Again, please go take a look. She does have diamond painting. She does do PDFs. She has so much going on. It's not even funny. Go take a look at Wattobizz. Please, please, please. Again, this is my third one, and I'm so ready to dive in. Um, I do plan to do a Wattobizz stitch along, so get ready for that video. I'm trying to figure out when I can do those. Because I have so many cross stitch right now. It's not even funny. But we are definitely going to be working on my Loving Glow, which I have named Eve after my Elder Scrolls Online character. So we will get that started very, very shortly. With that said, um, please like, share, and subscribe. Please let me know in the comments below if there's a specific day that you would like to see the Wattobizz um, cross stitch, the stitch along. And yeah, I hope everybody has a wonderful day, a wonderful evening, no matter where you are in the world. Just have a wonderful one. I love you all. Bye.